everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Sweet Kawaii, and I get their monthly subscription. Actually, I get 2 monthly subscriptions. Oh my goodness, and the tape on these things is so stinking tight. It's unreal. If they can make all tape this good, we could, I don't know what, we could stick anything together. This could repair relationships. My goodness, it is crazy tight. Oh, I got a blue envelope this time. I'm throwing this bag away. I keep them sometimes so that I can reuse them, but some of them, man, this tape is just too crazy for me. I try to recycle them, but not this time, bag. Not this time. And those are her little critters, which I love. And I have crumb all over my fingernails now. But she sends out the kits a couple months in advance so that you can put them in your planner and have them ready, which is awfully nice. And this one is for February. And I have the February. Isn't that cute? And these are made on vinyl, so you can't use every pin on these, so you have to be a little careful. And it's just a little reminder. Love yourself more. Oh, that's sweet. That's really cute. And this is the Itty Bitty kit, and there is a sheet of all of the wacky holidays in February. Thank Mail Carrier Day, Nutella Day, Cherry Pie Day, Dog Biscuit Day, Pistachio Day. Who knew, man? Who knew? So that's just kind of fun. And then here are some half boxes and little headers. And then here is the full box. Here are the full boxes. Love is in the air. Little Cupid. Those are so cute. Look at those. Oh my goodness. Being unique is better than being perfect. Remember why you started. And then here are little checklists and weekend stickers. Hello February, bills, to buy, to do, to call, set up planner. Oh, that says Simon. That says I love you. Super cute. And then here are the day and date stickers. I love the Happy Mail Valentine dates. And then here is a sheet of washi, or this, she calls it bottom cover. So you can use it however you want. But I like this size for one of my planners in particular. So that is what I will use it for. And it is adorable. I am loving this. And I really do enjoy getting this kit every month. And again, this is Sweet Kawaii Design, and you can find them at sweetkawaii.com. And it's just, she just has really cute stickers. Oh, and I just saw the little Fly Kite Day has a little hedgehog. Yay! Tater Tot Day. Clam Chowder Day. Sticky Bun Day. I could read them all. They're all so funny and cute. But thanks for watching, and you'll have to check out my plan with me sometime, and hopefully I'll be able to show you how I've used them. But have a wonderful day and happy planning. Bye-bye.